back to Girls Challenge Marianne Cruz, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some slime. So let's get started. So today, I'm going to be poking these two slimes. I'm going to be starting poking with the pink one. There's supposed to be three, but I can't find the yellow one, so the pink one. So it's very stretchy, as you can see, and I'm going to be poking it. I don't think you guys are going to hear it, but okay, I'll just show you. I can't show you, but you could hear it because it's very quiet. Okay, so it's like orangey in the camera, but in real life it's really like pink. If you guys come here to my house, it's like shocking pink. Yeah, so that's my pink slime. I'm going to put it back in the container and play with the green one. The green one looks bigger than the pink one because I've been playing with the pink one like mostly more of the time than the pink one. And the green one is kind of sticky, and as well this one is glow in the dark, and I like it too, so I'm gonna poke it. This one you could really hear the poke. Look, listen. Okay, so it's really so fun to play with, especially when it's big. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back. It actually farts. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching my two slime videos with these two slimes. I'm gonna have another YouTube video showing these two again, but with the yellow. Yeah. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, have a nice day, guys. Don't forget, slime makes you feel better. Today I'm kind of sick. My head hurts and my stomach hurts, but slime kind of made me happy. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.